Hey, I'm Luke at Phocas Software. Have you thought a customer is a good customer because of how much they spend, only to look at the margins and realize how little profit you make from them? Today, I'm going to show you how Phocas makes it really easy to track the actual margins you're making and identify customers who may be less profitable than they first appear. Imagine I'm a sales director. I'm looking at the total value and gross margin of all of my customers for a rolling 12-month period. I'm focused on customers who spend more than $30,000 a year with a margin of less than 10%. This combination of high revenue and low margin means doing business with these 25 customers is expensive. I can then email it to my sales team and even set up an alert for myself if the number of customers goes over the set threshold. With Phocas, it's easy to identify the profitability of your customers. It also enables you to keep an eye on gross margins and to minimize any knock-on effects to your bottom line. Get a demo today and let us personally show you what Phocas can do for your business.